Welcome back to Sip Your Tea with Miss V. I'm Missy V, and today hair and makeup tutorial. So I'm gonna do my hair really quickly. You guys already know this routine, but I just wanted to document it. But I already put moisturizer on my face, so I'll show you the moisturizer I use. I'm going to do my makeup. All right, so stay tuned. All right, everyone, so this is where I do all of my makeup. Not most, but mostly all of my makeup. If I'm not here, I'm doing it someplace else. I'll just show you like step by step what I do and like the products I use, and we'll just go from there. So this is the moisturizer I use to put on my face after I get out of the shower. It's a Vino, so you can find it at any drugstore. It's the best. I have very sensitive skin, so I don't like to use a lot of greasy lotions. I just trust this one. What it says in the bottle is pretty much what you get. So it's the sheer hydration one. I've definitely tried the green one before where it's just like the daily moisturizer. It's just a little bit thicker, but this one's I like the best because it's just like soft when you put it on. But definitely a really good moisturizer. I would just recommend it to everyone. It's amazing. Okay, so after I put that on, I put my Laura Mercier on, which is the foundation primer. It's for hydrating skin. Like I have like sensitive skin and also dry skin. It's a really good brand. And also like, oh no, I know a lot of people that use it. My chair is squeaking, so please ignore it. So like I said, like I just rubbed this on my face over here. If you want to know what's behind me, I was like this like clipboard poster board. It's this one up there. That is my vision board. So everything that I want to accomplish within the next 5 years is on that board. After we just put the Laura Mercier hydrating, so it's like the foundation primer. So after that, I put on my foundation. So obviously everyone can tell that I definitely have a tan. A nice little summer tan. I really didn't notice until I woke up this morning how tan I got. But this is usually the foundation I use, the NARS brand. I use, you know, everyone's skin color is different, but I use medium to dark, and it's the Syracuse. It's not the all day one. I'm still learning makeup. Don't say I'm like an expert, but I saw Aisha Curry wear this like in one of her glammed up moments, and I was like, oh my god, I want to try it. And ever since then I haven't gone back. But this is kind of pricey foundation, but usually I only buy foundation maybe like twice a year, so it does like last you like for a while. I know this is like the wrong way to apply it, but there's no like other way. I feel like a painter every time I put this on my face. But since I do have a summer tan, it slightly still matches me, but I just use it just enough where I can just cover like small things. So we're gonna put this under my eyes. Now that we finished that process, we're done with foundation. Now that we apply the foundation, you can tell my skin is now evenly toned, because before it was like looking kind of crazy. But okay, anyways, so now that we put the foundation on, the next step, I really don't go in order, to be honest. I kind of just feel like what I want to do. So usually I would have done like the contour, but I definitely feel like the eyebrows is definitely the next step we should accomplish. So I just have this cute little eyebrow comb. It's very basic, very easy. You can buy at Target. Nothing fancy about it. Okay, so this is my eyebrow wiz. It's by Anastasia. It's awesome. It's like this little like eyebrow pencil, and it has a comb on the end too. So it's great. I really don't know how much the price is, but they definitely last long. And basically like what I'm doing, I'm just like filling in my eyebrows. Like my eyebrows are already like have a shape to them and like thick, so I just add more filler in them to just make them more like together, you know. So after that step is done, the eyebrows look great. Loving the eyebrows. They look more in together. They look more like, okay, like this girl's getting her life together. Okay, so I used to do two things. So one, I used to have the Anastasia like Pro Pencil, but like look how tiny it is. Like I had it for a couple of years now, but now that was fine using that, but now I actually use my concealer, which also just makes it just a little bit better. I use the NYX HD Studio Photogenic one. And you can buy this at Target, Ulta. I've never seen it at Sephora, but this. So you just put it here. And I usually just use my finger to smooth like out. I know this is wrong. Like if you're watching this, like this is not the way to do concealer, but this is how I do it. So, looks bomb. Since we forgot to do the concealer part, let's just keep going with the concealer. Usually I just put it below my eyes because I have like serious bags. Like not, like I just put it like beneath my eyes, like little dots. And if I'm really feeling festive, sometimes I put it down here, but having sort of like a breakout moment right now, so I'll just kind of leave that area alone. So I use my handy dandy brush and I just, you know, blend it in on both sides. All right, and we have our concealer on. So now everything's coming together. My face is looking like bomb. And we're not even done yet. Okay, so we're just gonna go back over our eyebrows to make sure they look great. So done with the eyebrows, they look bomb. Now, I just got this new contour. I used to use Smashbox, but they were pencils, and like the pencil was like really weird. Like you can see how like weird it got. Like the pencil got like all destroyed or whatever, so I just stopped using it. And it kept like getting glitter everywhere. So like the underlayer of like the paint had glitter. I don't know, it was weird. So now I use this Lancome Ultra Wear makeup stick. Yeah, that's it. Don't mind my unpainted fingernails. They're under construction. Okay, so usually I just just do a little like line there and do it again on the other side. And they look pretty symmetrical, I think so they look fine. Okay, so after that, I have this angled brush and I literally just move the brush up and down, honestly. I might have put too much on, but it looks pretty good. And then I do the other side. Okay, now I have my contour on. I might have put too much on, but it looks okay. You just really have to like blend it, make sure everything looks pretty good. I'm having like a tad bit of like breakout going on. I don't know what's going on over there, but all right. So I have my contour on. Now I just put on a little bit of blush. It's the Rocketeer Benefit. It smells really good to me. I don't know what it smells like, but it smells good. Okay, and I just put that a little bit here, dot a little bit there, angular. Oh, and I'm also missing my chapstick. Okay. So I just use Carmax because I'm kind of basic, but it gets the job done. Next is mascara. I just got this mascara. I used to use the Too Faced Better Than Sex one like all the time, but I kind of hated how the mascara got like really flaky. Like all day I would wear it and like it would just flake off and like it was kind of annoying. But now I got this Lancome one. It's the Big Lashes one, and this is the bottle. It's kind of a little bit more expensive than, it's like maybe $3 more than the better than Sex Too Faced one, but I like it. It makes your eyelashes like super long. So, and it doesn't flake either, which I like. Yeah, my hair's drying. It looks so good. Oh, I have 2 more steps and then we're done. So I just got this lip gloss. It's I really don't know how to pronounce things, so I'm gonna try really hard. It's like, we're just gonna say this. This is the lip gloss I just got. You can see it for yourself, Boom Mix. It's really cute. I like how, like, when I first got it, I was like, oh, I don't know if I like it. But now I like it because, one, when you put it on, it tingles your lips and makes them like plumper, and it's like really good. Okay. But not everyone might like it because it is kind of sticky too. Okay. So we have the lip gloss on. And last but not least is our setting spray. And I use Urban Decay Up All Night. It's bomb.com. And I just kind of like air dry my face after I spray it. But this is the total look. My hair is still kind of wet, but I will give you the full picture when it's done. And this is how my hair turned out. My makeup looks pretty good. You guys saw that whole routine earlier. So yeah, if you guys have any questions about the products and everything that I use in this video, go ahead and leave a comment below, and also like my video as well. I'm always open to new reviews, recommendations, anything else you come to mind. Like I said, if you are new to my channel, go ahead and click the subscribe button below. I appreciate all new followers. And thanks again for watching, and I'll see you guys sometime next week. Bye, everyone.